how to fix Denon receiver Bluetooth not working. Now on the Denon AV receiver, you just have to simply press the Bluetooth or the input button and then select Bluetooth. You should see pairing or blinking indicator. If it is not in the pairing mode, your phone won't detect it. Now on your phone, you just have to go to the Bluetooth settings and forget the receiver. Then on the receiver, simply just press and hold the Bluetooth button for a few seconds in order to clear the previous devices. Now sometimes too many devices can block the new connections, so you just have to simply remove the previous connections and then simply connect it again. Now you need to turn on Bluetooth back on and search for the Denon receiver. Tap to pair and confirm the connection. Stay within a few meters for a stable link. If connected but no audio is there, you can just simply check the receiver input is still set to Bluetooth. Also, you can increase the volume on both the phone and the receiver, as some of the models mutes or switch the inputs automatically. So you can try these easy steps in order to fix the Bluetooth issue on Denon receiver quickly. Thanks for watching.